Hello students. We have already discussed the meaning of urbanization, causes and impact of urbanization. Now we will continue with lesson 4. Our today's topic is strategies to reduce negative impacts of urbanization. The first way is building of environmental friendly cities. The government should plan and provide environment friendly cities with smart growth techniques and should pass laws to this effect. It is quite unhealthy for people to reside in unsafe and polluted areas. Therefore, the government should aim to build sustainable cities with improved environmental conditions and habitats which are safe and clean for people living in urban areas. Concepts like pollution reduction technology, renewable energy, pollution-free transportation, water recycling and reclamation are encouraged. Second is provision of essential services. The government at the local level must ensure that all populations living within the urban areas have access to adequate essential services such as education, health, sanitation and clean water, technology, electricity and food. Jobs and earning opportunities must be provided so that people can earn a living and lead a good quality life. Subsidies should be provided by the government. Third is employment opportunities. More employment opportunities should be created to lessen the negative effects of rapid urbanization. Private investments should be encouraged in order to effectively utilize natural resources and create more job opportunities. For example, by exploiting natural resources optimally and promoting tourism, more job opportunities can be created for the urban population. In order to encourage job creation, subsidies and grants should be provided to foreign and private investment in environment-friendly development projects. Next is controlling population. The government at the local level in urban areas must provide medical health clinics and family planning centers to help reduce the high rates of population growth. Effective medical counseling and campaigns directed towards healthcare and hygiene and family planning options must be provided across the entire urban area with the sole purpose of controlling diseases and population growth. With this, we have done with the strategies to control the negative impacts of urbanization. Now coming to next topic, that is satellite cities. Now what are satellite cities? What do you mean by satellite cities? Satellite cities are planned cities adjacent to a major city. Such cities manage or contain the urban sprawl. They are designed to help a major city extend in all possible ways. Satellite cities could be completely standalone cities developed outside metros. They are self-containing independent cities unlike a suburb or a subdivision. The purpose of satellite cities is to provide a perfect balance between the population and resources with respect to environment-friendly development. The aim is to create affordable housing for a large-scale section of the society. There is an underlying need to develop satellite cities into smart cities. To ensure planned urbanization and systematic development, a satellite city should be able to accommodate a smarter generation without compromising on ecology of the area. Policymakers and government agencies need to keep in mind some key considerations. First is rounded plan. Demographic factors like socio-economic conditions, education centers, dialect of population are a few things that need to be kept in mind when planning a satellite city. Second requirement is security. Safety of its residents has to be a primary concern for planners. Security issues need to be carefully considered and ingrained in the planning process. Third is heavy capital. Building a city requires huge capital. Apart from sourcing the required funds, the acceptability of the upcoming satellite city and its growth would depend upon how early it is able to become a self-sustaining unit. So like this, if we see Delhi in this case, where more and more people flocked to the national capital Delhi, the need for housing increased. This led to the peripheries of Delhi expanding, bringing about the cities of Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon and Noida to be inhabited. Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai developed in similar pattern in which the population was housed in a better manner. Some of the examples of satellite cities are Gurugram, Sonipat, New Town, Kolkata, Navi Mumbai, etc. So children, like this, today we have completed 2 topics. The strategies to overcome negative impact of urbanization and concept of satellite cities. Thank you. Take care.